What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom, it really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, you know I appreciate you guys so much, thank you. If you hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button, you get a notification anytime I put up a new video. Gonna start doing some more videos, get more out on this channel. I've been kind of lax over the past couple of weeks, but I've been involved in another project, so it's kind of taken me away from this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Alright, so basically when I left off, I started a series of redoing my basement. So I'm gonna go through, I'll show you what I've done. Kind of messy right here. I'm in the middle of a project right now, so bear with the mess down here. But what I did was I put up a wall in my basement here to make this 2 rooms. It was originally one big area, but what I started with, we put in a new floor down here, painted the walls, painted all the doors white. Came out really nice. The floor came out really good. I'm proud of myself on that one because flooring's not my forte. None of this is. I've never done any of this before. And my computer area is over here. Like I said, bear with me. It is a mess down here. I'm still reorganizing stuff, trying to find spaces for everything. I finally did the kick walls. Those are all done. That's all my video stuff. My 3D printer. My computer's over here. This is the big mess over here. I have to figure out what to do with this stuff. It's my TV with my PlayStation. What I want to do is I want to build some shelving over here. Take out that corner shelf, come out a little bit, and all of this garbage is going to go up on the shelves and neaten this up. We'll get rid of this thing here, and it'll be a little bit more room for the treadmill. Because once the weather starts cooling down, which it isn't today, it's about 90 degrees out right now, so it's really warm. Luckily, I have my air conditioner on over there, so you're going to hear the rattle in the background from it. I apologize. But this area is really nice. It's just about done. I need to finish some trim work up on top there and paint. Need to put a door in here. That's the workbench over there, or my workshop, I should say, is through here. I have the plastic up trying to keep the dust and sawdust and all that stuff in here. It's working somewhat, but let's go in. Like I said, I am in the middle of a project right now, so it is a mess in there. We'll go in here, swing it around to me. Okay, what we have here is this is my original workbench. It's a Husky workbench I got from Home Depot. That was like 400 bucks for this thing. It was ridiculous how much it cost. And it took me forever to get. So I needed another workbench in this area. So I decided I was going to build my own. Never did it before. It was interesting, but actually it was fun. I enjoyed it. So this is the workbench that I built. It ended up coming out really good. I'm actually proud of that one. So up on this workbench, I built this out of 2x4s and 2x6s. Sanded it down, polyed it so that, you know, it's not going to get dinged and nicked and all that stuff. It's probably going to. I mean, I'm eventually probably going to have to replace the top. But for right now, it works really good. Corners, I have my tools, my clamps, sanding stuff. Over here is painting. My power tools over here. I use Ryobi cordless tools. They work well for me. They're not necessarily for a professional, which I'm trying to get some good light here. There we go. Not necessarily for a professional, but for what I'm doing, it works pretty well. So far, I've done a couple of small projects. Like I said, I did the bench. Right now, I am building a TV table. This is all out of 2x4s that I've built it. Glued the top together, ripped down the legs, and I ended up running out of wood, so it's on hold. I got the wood out in the other room, getting it acclimated to the climate, and I'm going to put a shelf in right here. And this will go upstairs in front of my TV. Put my surround sound and anything else on top of it. So that's what I plan on doing today. What I'll do is I'll give you a quick tour of the tools that I have. I've spent a lot. I spent a lot recently. So this I didn't spend. This is a Delta Shopmaster chop saw, the miter saw. I've had that about 20 years. That thing is beautiful, works wonderful. My wife actually bought it for me when we first moved into this house. I also purchased a rigid shop vac for dust collection. The only problem is when I turn it on for dust collection and I have a power tool running, I blow a fuse. So I'm gonna have to get someone in for electric to figure that out. This is my Cobalt. Let me go over here. My Cobalt table saw. I got this at Lowe's. I had a Delta table saw that I got when my wife bought me the chop saw. Bearings blew on it. Does not work. And I went online trying to get the bearings so that I could fix it. They don't make them anymore. So I ended up having to get a new one. Yeah. And the other big purchase that I've made, and this thing works pretty well, it's rather inexpensive. It's a Ryobi bandsaw. It's nice for making small cuts and details and such. It works well. Right now, when I built this, I put pegboard up on the wall to hang my tools. I've got to get a better pegboard solution because the clips and stuff that I have are horrible. When I go to take any tool off the wall, the peg comes out. So there's got to be a better solution out there. I just haven't had the time to look for it. Like I said, I'm working on that table. That's one of the projects. One of the projects that I've completed with scrap lumber that I have is picture frame. So it's a picture that I had painted and just some scrap wood that I had. I made a nice picture frame around it. Came up pretty good for not knowing what I was doing. So that's basically what I've been up to and why I've been away. It's just trying to get everything done, and with working full time, there's not enough hours in the day to get everything done. So that's it. So that's a quick tour of the workshop and the renovation of my basement. Hopefully the next time that I show it to you, I've got everything organized and built, because that was one of the main reasons why I built this. Is there's no place to put anything in my house. There's no storage, nothing. So I needed an area for my tools and stuff. Basically an area that I can make a mess and my wife doesn't yell at me for. So that's what the workshop over here is for. But in any case, that's it. Like I said earlier, if you are new to this channel, thank you for getting to this far. I do appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. Those of you that are subscribed, thank you. I cannot say enough thanks to you guys. You guys are the reasons why I can make videos and do this stuff. It affords me to do it. Hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications. If you're using a mobile device, make sure notifications are allowed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I know it's a mess right now. But like I said, I'm in the middle of projects. Once I'm done with the projects, I'll get this all cleaned and I'll show you a more detailed tour of the office and the workshop. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys again real soon.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.